So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D mix chart to a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top here and press on chart located between text and table. Now, as you can tell, if you were looking for a mix chart, go down to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th row right here. And there's two different options. Simply just press, you can just press the one on your left, for example. And once this is done, if you actually want to verify that you have a mixed chart selected, press on the chart right here, go to this right hand side, scroll down to the bottom to where it says chart type. It should say 2D mixed. But just to clarify, press on it and make sure that 2D mixed is the one that is selected. So very straightforward, very simple. But that is how to, I guess, create and add a 2D mixed chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.